Hello guys, I'm back with another video. So today in this video we will be recreating all these drawings, 2D drawings. So let's get started. So I'll be selecting the default layer, repeat line, so this is our center line, and the first thing we are going to make is the center. We'll be working on the center portion, and this is a drawing of a shaft, so it is a sectional view of a shaft. So repeat line, 5, enter. Then we'll just click over here. Okay, once again 5, enter. 100. Now escape. So as you can see, we have created the center part of the drawing, and now let's move on. So once again L, enter. This is 10 mm, 10, then 15 mm, and once again 5 mm. Okay, -21 minus 15 is 6, so 6 mm over here. Escape. And what we can do is that since this is our center line, so no, this is our center line, so we can just mirror it. We'll just type M, okay, MI and hit enter, and we are going to select the profiles. Okay, we will be selecting these lines and we'll be hitting enter, and we have to specify the point of mirror line. So this is our center line. So once again, now it is asking us, now over here it is asking us that whether we should erase the source object. So we are gonna hit N. No, we don't want to delete the source. We'll be hitting enter. So now our object is completed. Now we'll be just once again extending up these lines. Okay, once again hit enter, repeat line, enter. And now what we are going to do is that we are going to use a function which is called match properties, which will help us to match prop. Okay, we'll hit enter, and we are gonna select this line. So this is our center line, you see. Okay, now exit. So we will be using so even now the object is not the same. Actually this is a sectional view, so the best way of representing a sectional view is hatching. We'll be using hatching. Okay, one and two. So actually this is the this is one object. Yes, 5 is the best. We'll be hitting enter, and now what we are going to do is that once again we'll be using the function match properties. So we want to match okay, match properties, hit enter. Yes, and now once again we'll be selecting the feature hatching, and we'll be selecting these two objects. Once again hit enter, and once again over here we'll be selecting match properties. We'll be selecting these hatch lines, and yeah, now we are done. We are done with this object. Here we'll be hitting the escape, and we will be coming on to this object. So L, enter. We'll select this line, okay. So this is the starting point, and the overall length of this is 100. So 100, 100, enter. So one zero 10, 10. Once again we'll 100. Okay. Once again 10. 100, 100. 10. And for now we have created the center area of our object. First, no, for time being just ignore we will be ignoring this quarter pin, and we will create the whole object. Then after the creation of the whole object, we will be working on this quarter pin. So now let's get started. So that it's 30. So enter. 100, enter. Okay. -90 minus 10. Oh, sorry. So it's 30, and over here 40. Now 90 minus 50. 90 minus 50 is 40. So this is 20. Okay. 20, and from here it's okay. Enter. We'll be selecting this point. So it's 25. Delete. We will be deleting this line also. It was just a reference line. So once again repeat line and escape. Okay, so this is 26 by default. Again we will be deleting this L 26, enter. Okay, enter, repeat line, escape, and now what we are going to do is that we will be mirroring this whole profile. So MI, enter. So let's select the whole profile. Enter. Select the center point. Okay. Oh shit. MI, enter. Okay, we have selected the whole profile. We'll be hitting enter. We'll be selecting the center line. Yes, we have selected the center line, and we are going to type N and enter. Okay, so we are done with the object. Wait a second, there is a small fillet also, and I don't know the dimension, so we'll just wait a second. We will be selecting the radius. So radius is 3. Okay, now just type fillet, F, yes, F, and enter. Now what we have to do is that now the fillet asks for 3 options. One is undo polyline, then it's radius or multiple. So we are going to hit R for radius. We will be defining the radius. So specify the radius. The radius is 3. Enter. Now we are going to select this line, and we are going to select this line, and R. Fillet is done. And now the settings are saved for the as per the previous one. We just have to select the line. Yeah, so we are now done with the object. So the total length of the pin is 58 mm. So what we are going to do is, and the length of this is 58. We just have to make a small line, L, enter. We'll be selecting the center point of this line, and 4, enter, escape, repeat line, 4, enter, so once again we'll be hitting L, enter, mm, okay, escape, repeat line, 3, enter, and there is one more function we can do, is that CO, copy, we'll be selecting this line, okay, we'll be hitting enter, and we'll be specifying the point of displacement is the midpoint of this line, and we'll be copying this line over here, escape, and what we have to do is that L, enter, escape, once again L, enter, we'll come back to this point, we are gonna select this line, okay. So now what we are going to do is that we'll be using a function called trim, and we'll be trimming first. Let's complete the whole object, and checking the dimension of this, okay, so what's the dimension? It's 1, okay, 1, what's the dimension of this? Believe it's 1, okay, so what we are going to do is that once again L, enter, okay, from here 1, okay, escape, we'll be selecting arc, 3-point arc, so 1, 2 and 3, voila, our arc is created. And over here also we are going to repeat the line command, draw a line of 1 mm, escape, and once again we'll be selecting the arc, we'll be specifying the 3 points, yeah, we are done. Wait a second. check, enter. L, enter. No. Wait a second. Delete. D. So this is I just did it wrong. Actually this always happens when we are using the snap mode. Sometimes we really get wrong dimensions, so we'll be deleting this, and once again L, enter, and we'll be specifying the point 0.5, enter, escape, and we'll recreate the arc, 3-point arc. So 1, 2 and 3. Now we are done with it. Wait a second, we'll be selecting these two lines and we'll be deleting it. Delete. Okay, and what we are going to do is that we are gonna trim it with the help of trim function. We are going to trim the axis lines by trim command, TR, and enter. Just do the right click and we are ready to trim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and voila, we have created the object. Enter. One. Now we can get back to hatching. Escape. Oh, wait a second, we forgot the center line of L, enter. What we are going to do is that we are going to select the midpoint. From here we are going to draw the center line of this. Yes, and once again we are going to repeat the line function. And yes, escape. We're gonna select the function, match properties, MATCH, match prop, hit enter. You're gonna select this, yeah, enter. Now once again what we are going to do is that hatching. Selected the hatching. We'll hatch these areas. Let's hit escape. Once again we will repeat the match properties. We'll select these hatching lines. Okay. Yes. Now we are done with the object. No, sorry, we are not done with it. Once again we have to match the properties of center line too. Let's repeat match prop once again. We'll select the center line. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now let's hit enter. Now we are done with it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do feel free for the comments, and if you have any doubts I'll clear them, and you can also contact me. Okay, so we are done with this video. Goodbye, take care.